Today we'll be building a 5-bedroom basement apartment from start to finish in Nigeria. So this building is actually built in Cross River State, in Calabar precisely. So for the first stage here, we have the building materials are being delivered to the site. As you can see, we have our Mack truck here delivering the shippings and other necessary materials for this site. So our materials have already started to be delivered. So we have various stages which are included in this video, from the starting of this project to the finishing of the project. Everything is covered in this video, so you want to watch this video to find out how this project actually ended and what was the finishes we used for this type of project. So we have various stages which are involved in this building design, which I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. So looking at it, we have stages of building this 5-bedroom basement apartment in Nigeria. Stage 1, which I already covered, is the material to be delivered to site. Stage 2, excavations, the concrete flooring and the block works. Stage 3, block works to first floor decking. Stage 4, first floor decking. Stage 5, building first floor walls. Stage 6, concrete fascia installation. Stage 7, roof works. Stage 8, stone coated roofing sheets arrived. Stage 9, the plastering is being done. Stage 10, the iron protectors are installed in the windows. Stage 11, the glass frames installation. Stage 12, the corner glass installation. Stage 13, we have the POP installation. At stage 14, we have developed and finished this building to the client's satisfaction, and we handed over the key. So if you're watching this video, you would like to watch this video to the end, as we take you on the time lapse stage by stage to completion of this building project. So let's continue.
They never finish boarding. Huh? Never finish boarding now. Never finish the boarding. You never finish the. Hello, bro. Is it? Hello. Yes.
So looking at the site now, you have seen the foundation has been done, and this is the deepest DPC level where we are going to install the German flooring, which is the concrete flooring. So you're seeing on the video, the laterite have been installed into the building to take level. So this is a 5-bedroom basement apartment. So this type of buildings sometimes are designed as if they're looking like a duplex, because they have the kind of structure of a duplex. So they normally take up much materials, just like a duplex structure. So this is the concrete flooring we are doing right now. Yes, as you can see, the decking is being done and is going to be completed in the next stage of this building, so that we can build the first floor walls, and from there we can go to the next stage of this building design. So if you have enjoyed this content and you found it useful, don't forget to support your brother. Support your brother by liking the video, by sharing the video to where you know people will be interested to watch it. Okay, subscribe to the YouTube channel, very important. It's very, very important for me. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you can also drop a comment below for me if you have any questions or any observations. Yeah, you're welcome again. So you have seen so far we have built this building to the concrete fascia level, and you have watched this far. I would like to say thanks for watching. Okay, so we have built this to the concrete fascia level. As I will say again, this is a 5-bedroom basement apartment located in Cross River State.
How can?
As you can see so far, our roofing sheets have been installed and the plastering is done. So most of the building projects have been completed here. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give the cost of material breakdown. That is the estimate of the materials we have actually bought and used for this project, and how much they actually cost. So here we have completed all the stages of building this house from scratch or to the finishing level of handing over the key to the client.